The Prophet Muhammad passing through Thamud ruins. Imam Ahmad reported on the authority of Abdullah ibn Umar that when the Prophet Muhammad came with the people to Tabuk, he descended at Hijr near the dwellings of Thamud. The people drank from the wells from which Thamud used to drink. They kneaded their flour with it and made ovens. The Prophet ordered them to throw what was being cooked in those pots and fed the kneaded flour to their camels. Then he went from that place to the well from which the she-camel used to drink. He forbade them from entering the places of people who were punished by Allah, and said, I fear that the same punishment may befall upon you which befell them, so do not enter their places. Imam Ahmad reported on the authority of Ibn Umar that the Prophet Muhammad said when he was in the area of Thamud, do not enter the places of those who were punished except in a state of crying. If you are unable to cry, then do not enter, lest the same punishment inflicts you which inflicted them. Imam Ahmad reported on the authority of Umar ibn Saud, who said, when we went for the battle of Tabuk, people hastened towards the dwelling places of Thamud and entered them. When the news reached the Prophet Muhammad, he called them to gather at one place. Then when I came to the Prophet, he was holding his camel and saying, do not enter the places of people whom Allah became angry with. A man said, we are becoming amazed by them. The Prophet said, should I not tell you something more astonishing than that? A man from among yourselves is informing you about those who were before and after you. Then remain steadfast and righteous. Verily, Allah does not give any importance to your punishment. There will come a people who will not care about their deeds. It is said that the people of Prophet Saleh used to live a long time, even though they used to build houses from mud, but they would fall and demolish before they died. That is why they built houses in the mountains.